I finally learned how to use my tripod. Woo! Hello everybody, my name's Ellierose Kelly for those who do not know me. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Firstly, I apologise for any background noise. I have a few people in my house. Today I'm doing a video that I've been wanting to do and I've tried filming throughout the week, but it just doesn't work like that. So this is my totally real outfit of the week, autumn edition. I always pretty much wear the same jewellery every day. I wear this silver necklace from Pandora, which my dad gave to me for Christmas a few years ago, and he gave one to me, my sister Annie and my other sister Gemma, and I always wear either really big hoops or I wear my PAWS ARE FAMILY earrings. These ones are cats slash foxes, whatever you like. We've got sea turtles and we've got paw prints that say I love my dog. Monday is the start of the week and probably the most depressing day, so I want to start with something comfy. So I'm these flared, I don't know what they're called, like the black and white stripy flared trousers. I got these ones from H&M, they're a size H. No I didn't, I got them from New Look. And I paired it with a little Brandy Melville top. I actually thrifted this and it's got a little, you know, shoulder exposure, so hell yeah. I should say now, I didn't pair shoes with these purely because every one of these items I would have worn my Vans with, but my Vans have got a million holes in them now, so I'm currently wearing my Uggs every day from Primark or my Hills boots because I don't own any other shoes. And I don't want to spend £50 on new Vans because Christmas is coming up. Tuesday I'm wearing more autumn colours. I'm wearing this orange flowy top that I also thrifted, and I just pair that with a pair of blue jeans from Primark, or you can go black jeans, but yeah. Wednesday I am wearing this beautiful dress from Primark. Primark, you want to sponsor me? Practically everything I wear is from you. Now this has got the kind of summer dress feel to it, but I feel like because of the colours and the length, I feel like it's quite longer than a summer dress. It's kind of perfect for it, and you could also just throw on your boyfriend's coat or a leather jacket and it would make a really nice autumn outfit. And this you don't have to wear with Vans, you could wear with your Chelsea boots or Doc Martens or whatever. I feel like it would make a really cute autumn day look. More Primark items. This checkered black, white and grey skirt I love. I'm actually obsessed with it. It's a brilliant fit. It's so nice, and because it's really high-waisted. And as for the jumper, I actually really struggle finding things to wear with it because my jeans are high-waisted but they're not hugely high-waisted, whereas this skirt is, so I feel like it goes perfect with this Primark jumper. And obviously it's autumn, you want to go dark colours, but if you do want to add a pop of colour, you can add like a random accessory like a pink bag or a yellow bag, or I went for a pink bubble hat because it's autumn, got to keep your head warm. Also paired with my blue Primark jeans again, I've got this beautiful brownish top from Primark. I actually love it, but it's a lot more exposure than I'm used to and what I normally do, but I really like it. And obviously it's not something to wear on a really cold autumn day, or you can just do what I do and steal Callum's Topshop coat and just wear that over the top of it. It's really cozy. The only thing about this is that I didn't see it in any other colours, but obviously it's from Primark, so the material isn't the best and it's already got a little rip in it, and I think I've only worn it about 3-4 times, but either way, super cute. This I was really insecure about as well because of my hips, and we all know how much I hate my hips, but also a whole thing from Primark. I'm pretty sure I just did a try on Primark haul for you, but anyway. This grey jumper, I buy one every year. It's the most comfy thing, it's really fitting, it's really flattering, I really enjoy it. It's high neck, but I just put my necklace over the top of it, and it goes really well with a black pinafore? I think it's called a pinafore. I feel like the grey and black really go together and it's so comfy. Obviously you could wear it with tights or high thigh boots or whatever you want. I just went bare legged because I'm scandalous like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know below what your favourite autumn look was and what you plan on wearing this autumn. Like I said before, you can purchase your PAWS ARE FAMILY earrings on Facebook or Instagram or email. Everything will be in the link below. And if you don't have animals, so you can't get treats or beds or whatever else you want for your cat or your dog, you can get these, or you can get some paw chocolate. There are a million things. Everyone can shop there, whether you have pets or not, as long as you love animals. So why not? Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!